Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw these people in any type of action pose. So they could be dancing, they could be exercising, any type of action pose. So in order to draw these, you're actually going to start by drawing a stick person as if it's moving. So it can be kind of difficult to draw a moving person, but here's how we're going to do it. You can start with a head, a circle, or an oval, and then you're going to just do a stick body. So you're going to just draw a line for the body, and then think about the legs, how the knee might bend, and the foot, like that. So I have all the parts of the leg, the thigh, the shin, and the foot. So then this leg is going to be over here, kind of like straight, and kicking like that. That almost looks like a dance pose. Okay, next thing you're going to do is think about the hands. Do you want the hands and the arms straight up in the air? Maybe draw a little circle here. Or do you want it to be doing something like this? So that'll be my action pose. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to circle around your body. So right here, I'm going to start at the head. I'm going to go down, over for the arm, up, circle the hand, down, over. So you're just drawing another line around the stick person that you already drew. Oops, you don't really need a line around the head. That just makes the head bigger. You can. Okay, so now what you do is you cut around this line until you have a paper that looks like this. Then when you flip it over, you're left with your body. We were going to glue these down onto some type of background. So for my background, I drew mountains, a sun, and then a straight line across for the bottom to look like the ground. I'm going to color it with crayons and do some neat patterns. Then I'm going to glue this person as if they're dancing in this type of background outside. My final touch will be my action lines to show the movement.